Gonna get the attention on that tree. Wow.
That tree's already leaning. It could be cut without a rope. We're just gonna coax it a little more with a rope.
Yeah.
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 This is gonna enhance our control over it.
Here he goes. Hey there, welcome back to North Lake Photographic Workshops. We're doing a little yard work today, taking down a big tree. This is Richard Keller and my friend Steve Burrows are here, and they are the artists in taking down big trees. And this is a big one. What he's doing is he set up a rope across the top of the tree, and then he set up a series of pulleys through other trees, and then they're gonna, as he says, get its attention with the truck and kind of guide its trajectory in coming down. It's gonna be really interesting. I'm gonna put the drone up to see it from the sky too.
We're gonna have lots of line. I brought up that other line. Keep going. Keep going. Alright, that's good.
That's the big tree to come down in there. It's a big tree. And we don't want to hit my shed over my little cabin over there. This is definitely a cabin killer of a tree. It's got it all pulleyed up to another tree back in there. And when they pull the car, it's actually going to put the tension on it going the other way. And theoretically, it's going to fall that way rather than the way the trucks are right now. So, however, we will see. You never know until it actually happens. Whoa! Damn! Look at how hollow it is.
Shit.
Oh my God, Richard! Oh my God!
I show you why I didn't want to cut no more.
Oh my God! I get it.
This was holding it right there.
Holy crap.
Oh my God!
That's badass.
Holy crap!
I kept on thinking, holy shit, there's some bees in this tree.
Oh, it's me. I gotta go land. Wow, look at that. That thing's been hollow for a long, long time, hasn't it?
Oh yeah.
Damn.
There's no real, as far as life in that tree, there's some right here.
Yeah, a little bit there.
Right here. This here looks like it was dying out there.
I was afraid, that thing was gonna come down on a north wind and hit my shed, hit this, or do whatever,
That would've messed something up.
Felt bad having to take it down, but it was mostly dead. There was only a couple of branches up there still alive.
I wonder how far you could crawl into it.
I just backed into it up to my...
He was all the way up to his chest. Great job, Richard. Good job, you guys. You are the artist. Yeah. Well, that's how it's done up here in the north. Richard Keller, he's one of the tree masters. He's come down in here before and taken out 3 trees at one time for me before, just leaning one into another. So, yeah, that was great. Well, hey, thanks for hanging out. We got a lot of wood to go cut up now. Take care of yourselves. Bye-bye.